Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. If you've been to the channel before, you would know that I actually enjoy showing off catalogues, and today I've got in front of me the Trumpeter 2020-2021 catalogue. So I film it page by page so that you can see what is available from the Trumpeter range. Use the cog settings and go to quality and select the highest level possible to see this in the best way. Also, if you feel that I am turning the pages too quickly, just go to the playback speed and reduce it to either 0.5 or 0.2. Another way is to actually pause the video. So if you see something that takes your fancy, just press pause, look at it, and then continue watching the video. So anyway, let's get to this. This is the Trumpeter 2020-2021 catalogue. Enjoy. So there you are. That was the catalogue. It's quite a full catalogue. It's nearly 100 pages, well 98 plus the covers, and they do so much. There's the accessories range. They also do a catalogue, by the way, of their tools. I think it's called Hobby Master, I think it's called. Yeah, I think it's called that. But anyway, they do so much. They do the plastic models there for the figures, 1 to 35 scale. They do a fantastic warship series. And it looks like they've got some new ones here. The amphibious transport dock, the naval type 054A. You know, there's a lot in this catalogue you can look at. I really enjoyed actually having a good flick through when I got it. It just opens your eyes. You know, warships are, you know, I don't think there's another manufacturer that does so many warships. But yeah, you know, and the scales for the armour, 1 to 72 scale, they've got quite a bit in their range on that one. Also in the 1 to 35 scale. Moving down through the military vehicles. You know, the military Jeep there in 1 to 35 looks really good. Yeah, I was really impressed. Look at that. It's the MAZ 7310 fire, is, you know, for it's the airport fire truck, isn't it? Looks fantastic, some of this stuff. It really is an interesting car. Also, if you're inclined to do the warships and you want some planes to go on it, they'd even do the 1 to 700 scales there. Look at that, you know, 1 to 25 scale fire engine there. That looks fantastic. I don't remember seeing that in last year's catalogue. Chinese spaceship pre-painted models, these, is that right? Yeah, number 10. So yeah, loads in this catalogue. And you know, and if you can, buy it. It's always good to collect catalogues like I do. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.